Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today's video is going to be my top favorite eyeshadow palette. This video was so requested. So many of you guys requested this video and here I am finally with my favorite eyeshadow palettes. I am going to show you guys few eyeshadow palettes which are beginner friendly, affordable, as well as you will get your everyday shades as well. Whenever you are trying to purchase eyeshadow palette, I think we all look for some everyday kind of shade. The reason I will show you guys few eyeshadow palette where you will get your everyday shades as well, plus few bold colors as well. Most of the eyeshadow palettes that I'm going to show you guys like kind of affordable, but I think one or maybe two eyeshadow palette which is not that much affordable, but it's affordable but not that much. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into this video. The first eyeshadow palette that I am going to show you guys is this one right over here. Now just don't mind this mess. I am a very messy person. This one is the Wet n Wild Color Icon Comfort Zone eyeshadow palette. Now personally this is one of my favorite eyeshadow palette because one, this is affordable, and second, just look at this. This is such a beautiful palette. You have everyday kind of shade, you have your transition colors. So that's the reason why I personally love this eyeshadow palette. Now you don't have too many mattes, you have only two mattes, this one and this one. You can use this two color as a transition shade or as everyday shade as well. Like you just need this shade all over your lid and you can just use your kajal and you can just smudge it and you can create a smoky eye. This color and this color every single day when I used to go out. Talking about the shimmers, I think this two shimmer right over here, it's kind of a dusty shimmer which I personally don't really like, but rather than that you can use this three color as your highlighter as well. Small shimmer section right over here, I just love this section. Use it as your inner corner highlight, you can use it as your highlighter, you can use it as your brow bone highlighter, you can use it as a shimmer topper all over your lid. That's what I am using. Especially if you are a beginner, I think you can just rock this eyeshadow palette. In this video you will see too many Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. Revolution is one of my personal favorite brand when it comes to eyeshadow palettes. I don't know, but their formula, their shades, everything is so unique. This video I'm going to show you guys three eyeshadow palettes from Makeup Revolution, and I think obviously they are not that much affordable, but I think if you purchase one eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution, I think this is enough. If you are a beginner or if you are new into eyeshadows and stuff, I think a Makeup Revolution palette is enough for you. Completely up to you how many you're going to purchase it, but I'm talking about people who don't want to invest in like too many eyeshadow palettes and stuff. First eyeshadow palette that I am going to show you guys from Makeup Revolution is this one right over here. This one is the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Velvet Rose eyeshadow palette. Now this is actually a Velvet Rose eyeshadow palette. This shimmer shade right over here, this is a pressed glitter. Like this is so beautiful, like for any kind of wedding, or if you want your eye makeup to look a little bit intense, you can just definitely rock this shade. About the mattes in this eyeshadow palette, this is the perfect, like the perfect everyday eyeshadow palette. You have your browns, you have orangish shade, you have your deeper browns, you have your nude brown. Even if you want a smoky eye, you have a black right over here. I'm going to talk about eyeshadow palette which is not colorful, but it's like pinkish. Like if you are someone you love a good pink eyeshadow palette, you love something pink, you are not into very brown shade, pink eyeshadow palette, but still you want it to be like an everyday kind of shade. This particular eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution is for you. This one is the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Newtrals 2 palette. Beautiful, like girly kind of eyeshadow palette. Not all shades are pink right over here. You have your browns, you have your orangish brown kind of shade, you have one deeper pinkish kind of purple kind of shade, you have some orange, some deeper pink, some light pink. Eyeshadow palette is like so beautiful. If you want an eyeshadow palette for your functions or weddings or any kind of occasion, you can just definitely purchase this one. You have all the colors right over here. You have your transition shade and everything, and every color is pigmented. A very soft shimmer kind of shade. It's a little bit dusty again, but rather than that, all shades, like, they are so creamy and buttery. Now I will not say like Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette you will not get any fallout or anything like that. Obviously you will get fallout, not that much, like not too intense. So that's the reason why I love it, and I personally always do my eye makeup before my face makeup. So that's the reason if you are getting any fallout as well, you just wipe your face and you can use your foundation and concealer on top of that. I am going to talk about this particular eyeshadow palette right over here. Now if you are following me for a long time now, you guys may know about this eyeshadow palette. I used to film so many looks using only this eyeshadow palette. As you guys can see, this brown is my favorite. Like, this brown is everything for me. The eyeshadow palette, perfect if you are a beginner and if you want eyeshadow palette which will be a little bit colorful. So I think this is the eyeshadow palette which you can absolutely go for. You have your transition shades, you have your brown shades, you have some orangish like yellow tone shade, you have few greens, you have a black, you have two shimmers, I think. Yeah, you have two shimmers which are absolutely gorgeous. Like this brown right over here, this is so beautiful, and this is like so pigmented. Look at this. It will not give you that like extremely shimmery effect. It will give you such a soft, natural kind of shimmery effect. I think personally I really love that. This greenish kind of shade, this is actually not a green shade, but this is such a beautiful shade. I think this actually looks really horrible when you swatch it. Use this eyeshadow all over your lid, you will see how beautiful this eyeshadow is. I don't know whether you guys can see it or not, but this particular shade contains so many beautiful shimmer particles, like glitter particles, and I just love it. I don't know why, but this shade is kind of my favorite. It looks really horrible, but this is like kind of my favorite shade. And this orange shade right over here, this is also so wearable. This is not actually orange, this is also a yellow, but like a orange undertone yellow. One of my another favorite eyeshadow palette, which I think is a good investment if you are investing in any one eyeshadow palette or two eyeshadow palette or something like that. I think this eyeshadow palette is so good. From Sugar Cosmetics, and this one is the Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in the shade 04 Fetish. You also get a mirror with this, and I think that's absolutely amazing. The brush is of no use, so just throw it away. You don't have that much option with this eyeshadow palette, but I think this is an eyeshadow palette perfect for every day, like absolutely perfect for every day. Sugar Cosmetics is my favorite brand. Not only the eyeshadow palette, I just love all their products, like their foundation, their concealer, their BB cream, then they have their eyeliner and stuff. I'm using their eyeliner today, and I personally love Sugar Cosmetics. I think it's not an affordable brand. It's not at all affordable. Quality they give you, but the formula they give you, it's like amazing and mind-blowing. Eyeshadow palette will not give you fallout. This is such a beautiful creamy like matte shades. All the matte shades are so creamy and buttery. The shimmer shades are so beautiful, so pigmented. Like, look at this, so intense and so pigmented. Now here comes another Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. This one is their Nude Awakening eyeshadow palette, but the shades, this eyeshadow palette is so beautiful. I don't know why you have so many shimmery shades. Again, I only have 1000 rupees with me, and I have to purchase the eyeshadow palette. I have to purchase few makeup products. That's when I thought of purchasing this eyeshadow palette. I skipped purchasing my highlighter because you have your highlighter shades right over here. It's made for you for everyday purpose, something on your lid, but you don't want it to be too intense or anything like that. You can just absolutely go for this particular eyeshadow palette. Comes another eyeshadow palette, but I'm really sorry guys, this is not available anymore. I don't know why Beauty Glazed just randomly thought of discontinuing this product. Like, why? This is a beautiful a beautiful eyeshadow palette. Like just look at this section right over here, all your colorful shades. This section right over here, you have some green, some orange, some purple, some brown, orangish, neutral, nude, everyday beautiful shades. But I don't know why they thought of discontinuing this beautiful palette. Rather than that, if you are not into this eyeshadow palette, you can absolutely go for any other Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette. Glazed is one of my favorite brand when it comes to eyeshadows and stuff, because I don't think it's very like expensive or something like that when they are giving you this many eyeshadows. And the last palette that I'm gonna show you guys is this one right over here. This one is the Incolor Desert Dusk eyeshadow palette. You have 10 colors right over here. Unfortunately, all shades are like shimmers. But why I am showing you this eyeshadow palette, you don't have any matte shades, you have all shimmer shades right over here. I'm using this two color all over my lid, like all over my cut crease today. If you are someone, if you want a beautiful shimmery shade, affordable shimmery shade, just go for this eyeshadow palette. This is such an affordable eyeshadow palette. As you guys can see, the pan is so big. They are literally so pigmented. I don't know, the formula is so buttery, so creamy. Obviously you will get some like kind of dusty feeling with this shimmers, like few shimmers, not all. This particular shimmer and this particular shimmer right over here, you will get some kind of fallouts and stuff, but rather than that, the whole section is like worth buying. Someone, you have a nude eyeshadow palette but you don't have any beautiful shimmer shade or anything that you, or any kind of colorful bold shimmer shade that you want to use all over your lid, this eyeshadow palette is for you. Guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys really find this video helpful. Everything will be mentioned in the description box below. Make sure to check that out. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.
This for the people that said I can rap, have to do it for y'all like I'm Little Duval. I just live my best life all the time through it.